mentally, emotionally, physically, we are safe. Physical level, little differences, the size of nose, as you mentioned, my nose, consider big nose. I don't think it's a big nose.
Many problems which we are facing is too much emphasis, small community, my country, my religion, a different race or different class. These are secondary. Number one, we are human beings. We need a sense of oneness of entire human being. Reality also now teach us everything interconnected. For example, global economy, and then also now global warming. So now such sort of period, no longer thinking my nation, my continent. No, now we have to think humanity, about world. We should have sense of universal responsibility and work together. My lifetime, First World War, Second World War, killing, a lot of sort of killing. So now, what really result from these tremendous violence? More suffering, more hatred here. I always admire the spirit of European Union. In the past, these member states fighting, but then after Second World War, they realize new circumstances, and then they develop European Union. So, remedy is we should develop sense of oneness of 7 billion human beings, and we have to live together. Since live together, then much better, happily. Not always angry face, no use.